Hi everyone. Today we're going to practice answering 20 common questions in English. What's your name?
My name is Ricardo.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend's name is Anna.
Do you prefer staying at home or going out?
I prefer staying at home.
How old are you?
I am 32 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Jamaica.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy dancing and playing football.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Little Red Hen.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy reggae music.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I find cooking relaxing and I love trying new recipes.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee, especially in the morning to help me wake up.
What do you do for a living?
I am a doctor.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling and exploring new cultures.
What's the most interesting place you've visited?
The most interesting place I've ever visited is Japan.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
I prefer traveling with others because it's more fun to share experiences.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger sister.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
What's the most important thing you look for in a friend?
I look for honesty in a friend.
What's your morning routine like?
My morning routine includes exercising and having breakfast.
What's your favorite way to relax after a busy day?
I like to relax by watching a movie or listening to music.